Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Royal icing is the edible glue or mortar that holds a gingerbread house together and can be used to make fancy sugar decorations. It's the best option for projects like gingerbread houses since, unlike buttercream frosting, royal icing will harden once dry.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Once your gingerbread house pieces are cool and ready to go, you will need a strong glue to hold the pieces together. Hot glue guns work wonders on gingerbread houses. Many people like to eat their gingerbread houses though, so using edible icing glue is probably a better option. Here is a great recipe for icing glue.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you want to keep a gingerbread house looking perfect throughout the holiday season, display it in a cool, dry place. Covering it at night with plastic wrap seals out moisture, dust, bugs, and other errant inedibles.
Take our lead.
Let it dry. Most gingerbread disasters, collapses, and frustrations happen because the icing hasn't had an adequate amount of time to dry. It's not always easy for kids to be patient, so it's a good idea to have some other activity lined up in between steps to distract kids while they're waiting to work on the house. 4 days ago.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How to make edible clear glue. Mix the water and sugar together in a very small heavy-bottom saucepan. Heat over mid-low heat until it begins to thicken and it starts to have a golden shade to it. Take it off the heat, but keep it warm. Then dip your edges in it and they will stick.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The best way to keep your gingerbread house from falling down is using a lot of the royal icing. It is your glue that holds everything together, so don't be stingy. It is also helpful to give the structure extra time to dry before adding decorations.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.